We're at the verge of a new era of innovation in which the integration of advanced materials, structures, and devices into nanosystems is triggering transformations across a wide variety of industries. These are tiny devices and systems which we might not see with our eyes but are present everywhere in our lives. The Smart Center at Northeastern University envisions a world in which these smart technologies are merged with humans' physical lives with the ultimate goal of improving the quality of life.
The Northeastern Smart value proposition is to help researchers, government, and industry addressing the growing demand of sensing, communication, and artificial intelligence at the chip scale by reducing the time for innovation and transition of the new foundational nanosystem technologies that are going to be at the root of our nation's economic strength, national security, and technological standing in the years to come. To implement our vision, we rely on an interdisciplinary, collaborative, and strongly interactive environment which closely integrates efforts of researchers, government agencies, private foundations, and industrial partners.
The Northeastern Smart Interdisciplinary Team has collectively established a leading position in 6 key application areas. Zero-power wireless sensors and communication devices that are smart enough to turn on and perform their functionalities only when something relevant is happening, eliminating the need for battery replacement and enabling the deployment of persistent and ubiquitous wireless monitoring systems in any environment and at a low cost. Radio frequency to terahertz devices and systems with unprecedented size, weight, and performance, solving the problem of spectrum scarcity and enabling high-speed and low-latency communication for driverless cars, virtual reality, and cloud computing. New generations of integrated quantum interfaces capable of connecting spatially separated nodes to permit secure communication channels, and distributed quantum computing for a quantum internet capable of solving problems that are currently impossible to achieve in a single quantum computer. Radically new neuromorphic chips for next-generation AI hardware and ultra-high performance deep neural network model compression and hardware acceleration, enabling real-time AI in mobile devices. Miniature actuators that can be used to deliver information by touch in virtual reality systems or enable finely controlled microscale soft robotic systems for medical applications. Networks of miniaturized biometric wireless sensor nodes that can be placed in the clothes, on the body, or under the skin of a person to provide real-time monitoring of physiological indicators and predict health outcomes.
Beyond groundbreaking technological innovation, we focus on the development of manufacturing processes that are versatile and scalable towards production. We take advantage of unique nano-manufacturing facilities, and we offer design kits and multi-project wafer services to the broad innovation community to expand the engineering design base and dramatically reduce the time for innovation and transition of these new foundational technologies.
The Smart Center, together with the Costas Research Institute at Northeastern University, are working with mission-driven agencies across defense, intelligence, and homeland security to bring forward new materials that provide superior capability at the sensor level and the secure communication level that then, through partnership with industry and government partners, can be brought into the platform level for new capabilities.
For TDK InvenSense, it's important that we try to always develop technologies that are driving forward. And the reason I was interested in joining the Smart Center is because the relationships that we can build with the faculty and the students allow us to drive those technologies forward more quickly than we could do internally.
So the impact of the center has been tremendous. It has created an environment in which the faculty and the industrial partners can come together and actually collaborate in an interdisciplinary environment for research, also for prototyping and technology translation in all of these areas. So the goal of the center is to have 20 to 40% of faculty and students being diverse, both in terms of gender and ethnicity. We are working with Northeastern's Advanced Office, which provides training to all of us in order to approach diversity with an open mind.
One of the signatures of a Northeastern education is experiential learning. In the classroom, SMART combines traditional classroom experience with hands-on learning, case studies, and design groups. Outside the classroom, the center combines Northeastern's signature cooperative education program with leading interdisciplinary research. With our distinctive model, we've been able to welcome and support students from around the world. Together, we've formed a diverse and inclusive community that prepares students from a wide variety of backgrounds to address the world's most urgent challenges.
The biggest challenge of creating societal impact from innovative research is the ability to connect research to real-life solutions, and this is both technical and business-wise. Northeastern Smart Center has created an environment that catalyzes impact by addressing both of those issues. First, they create a direct industry relationship with favorable IP agreements. Secondly, the center has bridged the void between lab and market by including development and pilot manufacturing in the center, which is another area that typically leaves technology behind. The result is terrific momentum, moving opportunities quickly to market.
All of the work at the university, including the Smart Center, is geared in how do we do use-inspired, fundamental to applied research that can have real impact on problems and challenges for the world today.
Through our collaboration with the Smart Center, we are able to actually bridge the gap between forward-looking theoretical principles and practice. And that's really, I think what the Smart Center for us is able to bring to the world.
Embracing the true Northeastern University essence defined by innovation, entrepreneurial spirit, experiential learning, global engagement and diversity, Northeastern Smart is very well positioned to lead the change in this exciting new era of technological innovation.